Hello everyone, today we got a package from my friend, and his 4 years old kid smashed the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. As you can see, this cover is already came out and completely shattered. Also the battery is ripped off, actual circuit board. Luckily there was no any explosion, and it seems rest everything is reasonable. So what are you going to do today in this video? We're going to completely restore this, physically restore this Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Okay. As the screen is completely smashed, so I got the genuine screen part from Samsung, which one cost me 165. Okay, and the same color, luckily it matched. And then also we need to replace the battery because that battery also gone. As you can see, this is ripped. And the back cover, luckily that is also color match. And now we're gonna tear it down, pull out every single thing that we can see from inside and transfer it to the new board, and the complete restoration would be done. We don't need too many tools, we just need Phillips screwdriver, flat opening tool in case, and then double-sided tape. All is here. So we're gonna start now. As you can see, the back cover is already came out, so I'm gonna remove all the screws.
Bye.